Hello everyone, my name is M. Karan Kumar. My rule number is 20951821B5. I am from Aeronautical branch of Section B. Now I am going to tell about laws of friction and angle of friction. Theta equal to angle of friction, R equal to normal reaction between the two bodies. Let a component rest on a horizontal plane be acted upon by a gradually increasing force P parallel to the plane and passing through the center of gravity of the body. The magnitude of the force of friction is equal to P. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. There are several types of friction. Dry friction is a force that opposes the relative lateral motion of two solid surfaces in contact. Dry friction is subdivided into static friction between non-moving surfaces and kinetic friction between moving surfaces. With the exception of atomic or molecular friction, dry friction generally arises from the interaction of surface features known as asperities. Fluid friction describes the friction between layers of a viscous fluid that are moving relative to each other. Lubricated friction is a case of fluid friction where a lubricant fluid separates two solid surfaces. Skin friction is a component of drag, the force resisting the motion of a fluid across the surface of a body. Internal friction is the force resisting motion between the elements, making of a solid material which undergoes deformation. When surfaces in contact move relative to each other, the friction between the two forces or surfaces converts kinetic energy into thermal energy. That is, it converts work to heat. This property can have dramatic consequences as illustrated by the use of friction created by rubbing pieces of wood together to start a fire. Kinetic energy is converted to thermal energy whenever motion with friction. For example, when a viscous fluid is stirred, another important consequence of many types of friction can be paid, which may lead to performance degradation of or damage to components. Friction is a component of the science of tribology. Friction is desirable and important in supplying traction to facilitate motion on land. Most land vehicles rely on friction for acceleration, deceleration, and changing direction. Sudden reductions in traction can cause loss of control and accidents. Friction is not itself a fundamental force. Dry friction arises from a combination of intersurface adhesion, surface roughness, surface deformation, and surface contamination. The complexity of these interactions makes calculation of friction from first principles impractical and necessitates the use of empirical methods, analysis, and the development of theory. Friction is a non-conservative force. Work done against the friction is path dependent. In the presence of friction, some kinetic energy is always transformed to thermal energy, so mechanical energy is not conserved. Thank you.